I cut the best 60 foot of my life in a stock motor car. A 138.
Ollie called the 1.3.
Dude! Ow!
It was there.
It's still running. Still trapped 121 with me misting the gear and then going into fifth instead of third.
And he still drug that Camaro.
God, I can't believe this shit right now. I'm so
6,800.
To the moon, bud.
I'm hoping so. Let's just get that A to B. Hopefully go fast, not get locked out. Hopefully.
What? Team go! Ow!
What? I guessed 11 to 11 too. I can't believe it.
Wait, what is it? 10-5?
10-6.
Alright, now we got Chester here.
Oh, Chester.
Stock motor killer. And I hit the limiter in 4, so I had to hit 5th. That's why it was down on mile an hour, 124, but we went 10.6.
We shifted it like it was the gray trans.
And
Well, you're coming back from Volkswagen, right? Great rooms, straight prices, friendly people, good match for better.
Too bad I couldn't get a good angle down there.
When Josh hops in the driver's seat, you know some fast shit's about to happen.
yeah, we miled an hour there. That's how I went to 5th. 10.59 at 130 with a pretty shitty 60. 146. It was a little squirrely.
Yeah.
I just sent it, guys. That was a blast. And she runs perfectly fine. FP Black will go 9 as a stock motor. Maybe a 0. But that's gonna wrap up our night. We had an awesome night, guys.
Shit.
Dude.
In a week or two, I'll be right here with you.
So for all my guys that said FP greens don't make 500 wheel, Eat your words right here, buddy. Stock motor can do it. We took the record on a stock 2018 STI untouched long block. Original of the car, so there we go. Woo!
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living